so lucky that we based in this amazing valley. We decided just to complement our surrounding, the nature. We decided to open the existing walls, to bring landscape inside and interior, and to use some symbols like a circle of life. Red soil, we complemented red soil with our rusted frames on the main entrance. We brought some sculptures, wine sculptures in the center of reception space. Then it's a wine sculpture in the restaurant, and of course water because it feeds our vineyards, our grapes, and we are really grateful because this area has a huge potential.
It was just a natural choice, being a European system which is of high quality, high standard, which is what Quoin Rock is all about. It was the obvious choice. It just made sense. Couldn't find anything better than that.
And of course, yes, the main idea was to open the interior and to bring the landscape. That's why we used so many glass surfaces in our project.
And with the functionality of having these doors being able to open fully, bring the outside to the inside, that was one of the main decisions. And then again, with our winters here in Cape Town, South Africa, it's wet, it's rainy, it's
another
insulation,
challenge.
It's another challenge, and when you close the doors, that challenge is overcome.
So we open and we don't have any borders, so we don't have to, like with the sliding doors, partially the space is still closed, but with this system you can open completely and you will not feel that it's like two separate spaces. It's like one big space. The main idea to open the space to not to have any borders in between the outside space and inside interiors. So and this system helps to open completely the whole opening. The team is well organized. If you need something, they will come immediately. The quality of the installation is high quality. So yes, we're happy.
It's a really robust system. It's not only an attractive system, it's robust enough to handle the public areas and spaces that we have around here. I mean, it's for everybody to view, to access, and that being functional and robust, it just made sense.
So of course we will go again like with a partnership with GBC, with Reynaers system, because I'm happy with the quality of the product and I'm happy with the service which I get which I've got during this reconstruction process.
With the system being of a thicker standard, stronger sections, our heights could be achieved, where with general local produced products it was not doable. The level that's expected can only be achieved through partnership. And with JVC and Reynaers, it's the logical way to go.